Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at cex.io listing update, the claiming and the withdrawal, and how to change your wallet address. If you think the wallet address you use has been compromised, you can as well change it. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. You can as well join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So here, going to the power tab, that the cex.io, you can see that the game is completed, and they said your rewards has been credited to your Becexy account. You can now access them directly. To access your Becexy account, you click on visit Becexy portal here. So once you click on the Becexy portal, you can see welcome to the future of engagement. You click on get started. So you are going to locate this airdrop session, my airdrop. Once you tap on my airdrop, you can see that my application status. Here you can see that we are currently having 95.91% airdrop fulfillment. So we are getting closer. Once we reach 1 million, they are going to distribute our airdrop to us directly. So if you have not connected your wallet, you can as well connect it right now. So this particular account, what I have is 28 CEDEX, this particular account that I'm recording with. So if you think that your wallet you submitted, either phantom wallet or wigwan wallet, if you think that it has been compromised and you want to delete it, you can easily come here and click on this delete button. Once you tap on this delete button, your wallet address here will be automatically deleted and you can reconnect it. That is for those that wish to change their wallet address. So this is what you need to know. So we are getting there. We are getting there gradually. We have 95%. So if you have not gotten the pre-qualification code, you still have little time to get that. So once we clock 1 million, and if you have not gotten the precisely qualification code, that means you have already disqualified yourself. So if you have not gotten the code, make sure you stick on their Becexy channel, either on YouTube, on Telegram. Once they drop the code, you can quickly use it so that you can qualify. And moreover, you still have time to use the old codes. You can use the old codes. Some of these old codes are working. So this is what you need to do right now. Now let's check. So coming to the wallet address update features, they said you can easily remove your address if you think your wallet is not connected successfully or you have lost access to that particular wallet. This was the update they made October 30th. They say how to change your wallet address step by step. Now you go to airdrop session. I've shown you that. My application status, and click the delete icon. A confirmation window will appear. Once you click on that delete icon, a confirmation window will appear. Then you remove your current application to unlink your wallet and Telegram. So once you delete it, you have to remove your current application to unlink it, your wallet and Telegram. So you are going to remove two things at the same time. You unlink your wallet and your Telegram. Now the last step is, once that is done, you can resubmit a new application with your updated wallet address and Telegram ID. So this is how you remove it. Now, removing your application won't affect your game activities. According to them, they are tied to your Telegram ID. So your progress will be displayed once you submit the new application. So you removing your wallet address does not affect your game activities. Your game activities is already tied to your Telegram ID, so you don't have any problem. You don't have any problem. They said keep in mind that one Telegram ID and one wallet can only be linked to a single application. So this is what you need to know. One Telegram, one wallet. So if you have multiple accounts, what you have to do is to create multiple phantom wallet or wigwan wallet and link them separately. So that is it for this video. I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more updates. I'm currently buying and selling Ruby Cedra online verification. If you have not done your Cedra online verification, you can reach out to me. I'll help you on how to go about it. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.